Hey, iPhone users! Today I'm going to show you how to download and install iOS 18 in just a few easy steps. Ready? Let's dive in. First, grab your iPhone and head over to Settings. You know the drill. It's the gray icon that looks like gears. Got it? Awesome. Next, scroll down and tap on General. You'll see a bunch of options here, but what we're looking for is Software Update. Go ahead and tap that. Alright, now you should see iOS 18 available for download. If you don't worry. It might take a little time to show up. Just make sure your phone is connected to Wi-Fi and has enough battery life. Once you see iOS 18, tap on Download and Install. You might need to enter your passcode, so have that handy. After entering your passcode, just sit back and let your iPhone do its thing. Now, to make sure your phone automatically updates in the future, let's go back a step. Still in Software Update, tap on Automatic Updates. You'll see two toggles, Automatically Download and Automatically Install. Go ahead and turn both of these on. This way, your iPhone will automatically download and install future iOS updates without you having to lift a finger. And that's it. Your iPhone will handle the rest, and you'll be enjoying all the cool new features of iOS 18 in no time. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more tech tips.